Yo, what's up, Pikakid98 here, and today I'm going to be making an update to my last rant. Yes, an update to this particular video. Now, why am I making an update to a rant? Well, it could be the fact that people really fucking hated that rant. Now, I guess I should state for a fact that I don't hate anti-malware. I don't hate antiviruses. I don't encourage people to go completely bare on the internet. I encourage you to download a good antivirus, although if you're using Windows you pretty much already have a good antivirus. Now, people got really fucking mad with this video, like 5 fucking dislikes. Come the fuck on. And I assume the reason why is that people assumed that I was telling people not to use antiviruses, despite the fact that I said I don't like VirusTotal. I just want to state that's not the case. I did not say that. I said don't use VirusTotal. But then I also said if you're going to use VirusTotal, that you should take the information on VirusTotal with a grain of salt. Now, I do sometimes use VirusTotal, like anyone, but of course, every single bit of information that comes from VirusTotal is usually spot on, but in some cases, it's some random antivirus that I've never heard of before, detecting a file that is benign, or the file itself is benign, but it's frequently packaged alongside malware, which means that the program itself is detected as malware, despite the fact that it's not malware. Take Silent CMD for example. I've mentioned this before, but basically what this tool does is that it hides the command prompt. But of course, when I say hiding a script, malicious people can use this tool to hide a malicious script. Now, this tool does have legitimate uses for non-malicious scripts. For example, I was planning on using it for my launcher, but of course I realised people would probably get a lot of virus detection, so I'd probably have something where you can disable the installation of it. The tool itself is considered malicious, despite the fact that it's open source and it's very legitimate. But some people would see this and think that this is malware. So again, people have gotten it into their heads that apparently I said not to use VirusTotal because it's an antivirus, or don't scan your files, or some stupid shit like that. It's just some weirdos who didn't listen to the video, they didn't watch the video, they just saw the title, I hate VirusTotal, and then immediately disliked the video. So I just want to say, if you want to use VirusTotal, you can, but you should take every bit of information from it with a grain of salt. Because just because VirusTotal says that it's malware, doesn't mean to say that it's actually malware. False positives do exist, as I said in the original video, that people seem to have completely passed over, because apparently some people just watched the first minute of it and said, I hate VirusTotal, dislike, leave the video. So yeah, people are really fucking mad with this video, because I shit talk VirusTotal because it's the best antivirus tool because you scan it with 70 plus antiviruses, including shitty ones. Just because something is an antivirus doesn't mean to say that it actually works properly. Antiviruses rely on code, and it relies on someone knowing how a virus actually acts. If it's detecting a program simply interacting with a system file as malicious, then it's not really fucking malware. Let's be perfectly honest, the browser that you're watching this video on right now is probably hooking into some system file. Or Steam, for example, it has to hook in to your graphics card in order to, determine what your graphics card is, so it can run certain games. It installs drivers for games, it installs runtimes, yet that's not considered malicious. Or in some cases, from some antiviruses, that is considered malicious. Now, the problem with VirusTotal is that it just uses random antiviruses that nobody's ever heard of before. And people trust it because VirusTotal detected it. So yeah, to the 5, as of recording this, people who dislike this video, I'm just going to say 2 words for you. Cope harder. Yeah, I'm not going to stop making these rants. If I want to have an opinion, I will have a goddamn opinion. But the thing is with having an opinion on the internet is that if your opinion doesn't align with someone else's, they will be absolutely furious and there's just nothing you can do about that. Your opinion must be that opinion of someone else. But then someone else comes in who has a differing opinion to both the YouTuber and the commenter, and they dislike the video anyway. It's impossible to please everyone on the internet when it comes to an opinion. So So yeah, I'll just end this video here. This is just fucking ridiculous. So anyway, I've been your boss, Pikakid98, it's been Pikakid98 chat, and you've all been fantastic. So until the next video, I say bye bye.